So how do you go about getting those jobs, being able to sound design for commercials or television? How'd you go about doing that?
That's a great question. When I went to audio engineering school in Mexico City, I work. I was there for a few years. I work in two studios, and they specialize in sound design for movies, commercials, stuff like that. So I saw myself in it, and also like everything in life, you create contacts. So when I get back here, people start asking me if I can help them and stuff like that, and I build relationships. Also, it helps that my brother has a production company that
Okay.
that that make this kind of stuff. So he also introduced me a lot of producer houses and stuff like that. So just opening one door at a time, knock 20 doors, get five. But if those five doors you knock give you enough work, you'll be okay. You don't need to work with everyone. Just set the relationships you want to cultivate and grow them. That's
Okay.
everything.
So yeah, so if you don't have those kinds of connections, is just through like Google, you can look up who's responsible for these television shows, or how would you go about finding the people to contact?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
I
Okay.
don't know. I don't know that. Is I well, I have talked to people like inside Instagram DMs.
Okay.
They work from making sound design from TV shows and stuff like that. Like, hey, can I
Probably
help?
LinkedIn would work too, huh?
Yeah,
LinkedIn,
sometimes
Instagram.
I like, hey, can I help you? Check my resume. Like the first step is always put yourself there, like in a helping position. Like, can I help you with something? Oh, I admire your work. How you did this, you did that, and build that relationship through helping, and it will grow. It will grow.
Yeah, that's really good. So when you do reach out to someone, do it from a place of how can you help them
Yeah,
first, and then
yeah,
versus just saying, hey,
yeah.
looking for a favor from someone that doesn't know you.
And
That's
if you
good.
have, done it before, it helps you have a good website with your work on it, portfolio. Just don't send this video I did. No, it looks more professional if you have a good website made with design. So don't make it just to make it, right. Take your time, hire somebody. You need to hire, especially some we live in a day and age where we think we can do everything, and but you have to surround yourself with people that are better than you. I- that's the truth. That's the only way to learn.
Right.
So
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you can't. That's the problem. Is you can do everything yourself, but can you do everything yourself well? Probably
that's
not.
yeah, yeah,
that's
yeah.
the
You can do everything yourself.
mirage, is that you can do everything yourself, but
Yeah, but can you do it well?
right. I mean,
I don't know.
that's why I use your Serum preset packs. I don't design my own sounds there.
It's true. Also, I focus more myself in sound design and mixing and mastering. I love to play guitar. I love to play bass. But some people come to me and say, "Hey, do you play professionally? From let's go record this." I know I'm not that good enough anymore because I focus all my attention into doing mixing, mastering, sound design, and I'm not in here it's called a session musician,
Yeah,
músico de
session
sesión.
musician. Yeah.
I'm not that. I used to
Mhm.
be great at playing, but I left it because you can focus at everything all at once.
Hey, if you want more help producing professional quality music from home or finishing more music faster, then be sure to grab my rapid song finishing checklist in the description below, or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/mixing checklist. Inside, you'll discover the proven step-by-step mixing system for creating radio-worthy music from home. You'll discover this one crucial step that you need to do before mixing to get high-quality mixes. You'll learn a proven step-by-step mixing order, so you'll know what to do first, second, and third, so you're not caught chasing your tail and constantly remixing and maybe making things sound worse over time. And you'll discover how to quickly master your music for consistent radio-worthy results every time. Again, this is all inside of a free guide you can get in the description below, or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/mixing checklist. That being said, if you want some more awesome music production tips and tricks, then be sure to click the video on the screen right now. That'll take you to another great video to help you make better music. With that, have an awesome day and keep creating.